Hi, I'm Lucinda from Craft Gin Club, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a ginny cocktail using Aquafaba. Now, Aquafaba is just chickpea water, and it's a great vegan substitute for egg white in cocktails where you want a really beautiful foam on the top. So gin sours, gin fizzes, and my favorite cocktail, which we're going to be making today, the Clover Club. So let's get started. To make a Clover Club, you start with a shaker, and we're going to add 30 milliliters of gin. And we're going to add the same amount of dry vermouth. All right, now we're going in with 15 milliliters of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of raspberry jam. Just pop this in, give it a little bit of a stir. And now it's time to get our Aquafaba. So to get Aquafaba, all you do is you grab a can of chickpeas, and we're just gonna drain the water out, 30 milliliters directly into our shaker. Now you may think that this is gonna taste like chickpeas or smell like chickpeas, but I promise you it does not, so stick with me. All right, so 1 single shot, a little bit extra. And to get this Aquafaba super foamy and light and amazing, we're gonna shake this cocktail twice. The first is gonna be a dry shake, and that is without ice, and that just emulsifies the Aquafaba, makes it really light and fluffy and lovely. So 30 seconds, as hard as you can. Make sure your shaker is closed. All right, and now we're gonna go in for our second shake. If you look inside, there should be some foam, and that's how you know that it's working. All right, now we're just gonna open this up and strain our cocktail directly into a coupe glass. All right, it's the moment of truth. Oh, beautiful. Now this foam is going to settle, and it's gonna be really structured compared to something like egg white. Super easy, completely vegan, and pretty beautiful if I say so myself. Just gonna pop a raspberry on top. Whoop. Adorable. And that's all there is to it. So as you can see, you've got a really defined layer of cocktail and foam. Not a hint of chickpea, I assure you. Oh, and it tastes so, so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning all about Aquafaba, and I'll be here with my Clover Club.